Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to discuss examination tips with you. The subject is chemistry and subject code is 5070. Examination tips are very helpful for the students to solve their papers, and these will help you to secure good marks in your papers. Now we will discuss first the assessments, like in which assessments you have to appear in examination. Students will appear in three components, that is paper 1, paper 2 and paper 4. Paper 1 is MCQs paper. It consists of 40 compulsory multiple choice questions. With this paper, a copy of periodic table is provided as the part of paper, and the total marks for this paper are 40. Then theory paper, that is paper 2. Paper 2 has two sections. Section A has compulsory structure questions of variable marks. 45 marks in total are available for this section. Then section B has 4 questions to choose from. Any candidate must answer 3 questions out of these. Every question is of 10 marks. A copy of periodic table is also provided with this paper, and the total marks for the paper are 75. Paper 4 is ATP. The timing for this paper is 1 hour. A written paper of compulsory short answers and structure questions designed to test the familiarity with laboratory practical procedures, and qualitative analysis notes are not provided with this. These are the notes which are provided in just AS level, and this paper is of 60 marks, which are scaled to a marks out of 30. Now we will discuss tips. First we will go for the tips to solve paper 1. Read the statement of every MCQ carefully, because if you will not read the statement carefully, you can make an error, you can make a mistake. Like sometime in some question it is asked which is not a characteristic of metals, and students do not focus on the word not, and eventually they mark the wrong answer. Then use elimination process to choose the one which is right. What is the elimination method? Elimination method is to remove the statements for which you are ambiguous, and leaving behind just the 2 statements or even the right one. Now you should manage your time. You will not give more than 1.5 minutes for one MCQs, as 40 MCQs are there and paper is of 1 hour. While solving the paper, unlock your metacognition for correct answer. Like think about your thinking, which the question is asked about, and how to answer those questions for which you are not sure or you are forgetting. And on the paper day, quickly but carefully go through the paper, shade all the answers you immediately know, leaving behind the questions you are not sure about and you need more time to work on. But don't forget to circle those questions which you are leaving, so that at the end these could easily be solved without leaving any question unsolved. Now we will discuss paper 2. Know your periodic table. You must know your periodic table. You must know how to use that periodic table, because the periodic table is wealth of information that can help the student across the entire paper 2. Like you can have proton numbers, mass number, group number, period number from the periodic table, and these could be used in solving many questions like of bonding, of finding MRs, of finding moles. So that is very important that you should know how to use your periodic table. Understand the question requirements or analyze the keywords. There are certain types of keywords to look for in the O-level chemistry paper 2. These are called directed words, like they are giving you direction how to answer the question, and keywords that identify the topics being tested. Look at these directed words. Question which begin with the word define, state, describe, explain, and outline will test factual knowledge and understanding. Such question requires students to recall and explain specific concept. Question which ask students to describe will require them to use results or observation from the questions. On the other hand, question which ask students to explain will require them to use scientific concept to back up the observation that pen with their answer.